Hi friends, welcome to Osborne Wood Products 2 Minute Tuesdays, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. I'm Jeremy McLean, Director of Marketing at Osborne. Although our inventory is mostly made up of wooden components, we want to make sure that when you come to our site, you're going to be able to find those things that you need to complete your build, no matter what style you're going for. That's why we've begun offering a selection of metal pieces, including these dining table legs that I'd like to talk to you about today. This is the Mississippi dining table leg. It's part 1105. It's 28 inches tall, 5 inches wide. Under the attachment plate is this sleek square profile with a flat black finish that works well in industrial design. The Columbia dining table leg, part 1116, boasts the same profile, but it lets the stainless steel shine. This stylish piece will add sophistication to your modern space. If you're looking for extra visual interest, you may want to check out the Hudson dining table leg. It's part 1126. It's 28.5 inches tall, 6 3/4 at the plate. It features a familiar attachment at the top, but it has this cylindrical stainless steel profile. The piece will accentuate your contemporary home flawlessly. Thanks for joining me today for Osborne Wood Products 2 Minute Tuesdays. You can find these metal table legs and many other designs and selections on our website at www.osbornewood.com. If you'd like to stay up to date on product releases, installation tips, or other news, don't forget, like this video, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.